I should just do the lawyer thing. This is a technology preview. This may or may not show up in a future version of any Adobe product. It might be there. It might change. It might disappear, or it might be even better than what I'm showing you. So, yeah. Disclaimer, right? Okay.
We'll waive our ambiguity law.
So here is a typical InDesign document, right? Just every spread's got this content on it. And I've got these little buttons on the master page. Let's actually go to the master page for a second. I'll show you how I created this little button. It's a little arrow. So I'm just going to... Anyone try to create buttons in InDesign before for interactive PDF? Do you enjoy that experience? Okay, so let's see how we... and a future technology...
Pound nails with my forehead.
So I just created a shape. I'm going to go to my buttons panel here. And I've got this handy dandy little interface for doing this. I'm just going to create an upstate for this, right? This is what I want my button to look like when it's in its upstate. And when I roll over it, I want it to have a rollover change of appearance as well. So I just enabled that rollover state. And I'm going to go ahead and change whatever attribute I want. I'll just change its color, let's say. So now upstate, I've got the gray. When I roll over it, it's going to turn pink. And hey, I wanted to do something when I click on the button. So when I let go of the mouse, I wanted to, I don't know, go to the next page, maybe. Go to the previous page. Go to a URL. Let's go to the next page. Great, I'm done with my button. Was that pretty simple to create, Tim? Could you even use it?
That was life-changing.
Yeah, pretty simple.
For those of us who have been button people,
yeah,
or button boy, as in my case.
I think it's kind of funny that a print tool, a future print tool, maybe,
It's provocative.
has one of the best interfaces for creating interactive buttons. I find that ironic.
Who was the genius that did that work?
Mr. Dave Stevens.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dave Stevens.
Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. I've created these buttons on this thing called a master page, so they show up automatically on every page. And you know, I want to just create an interactive Flash version. I want to create a Swift file here. So I'm going to go to File, Export. And as my file type, I'll choose SWF. That's the Flash file format there. We'll go ahead and hit save, and yeah, I'm going to replace the one. And you know, I want this to fit an 800 by 600 projector, because that's what we're on a small screen here. So I have little pop-ups here that I can adjust my layout to common web sizes. Okay? I can start with the original size, or scale it down. I'll do all the pages, and I'm going to include my buttons and ooh, page transitions. Ooh, that's kind of interesting. Let's go back for a second. So I want these to do something as I switch from page to page. So I'm going to select those spreads. And from this thing called the Pages panel, I'm going to go to something called Page Transitions. And I'm going to choose, oh, look at this. I can actually see what my transitions might look like. Oh, that's kind of cool. Ooh, look, a little page turning thing. Ooh. Should we do that one?
Do the page turn.
All right, we'll do the page turn. Okay. And we're going to apply this to all our spreads. Go ahead and click OK. All right, so now we'll do our little export. You need to go away. Yeah, bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. File export. And we'll choose SWF. Yes, I want to replace you. No, I don't want to crash. Go ahead and click OK. 5800 by 600. Include our buttons, include our page transitions. Oh, and go ahead and figure out how to do the keyboard thing so that people can just use their arrow keys. I don't want to have to code that. Right? Click OK.
Say it again, please.
I'll show you. All right, so let's open up our little non-PowerPoint version of our presentation here. And look at this. So I got little buttons work to the next page, does the little page turn thing. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm just saying, you know, it's a technology preview.
Man, it'd be great if you could actually do that.
So the interactive thing, I'm just going to press my arrow keys, and that will turn the pages for me. So I've got built-in navigation there. If I don't want to create the buttons, I don't have to. So, okay, but wait.
There's more?